Hi guys, we're in Melbourne. This is Melbourne at night. Join us as we explore the lively city of Melbourne at night. And later, we will have a room tour of the hotel that we will be staying in for 3 days. Melbourne is a city in Victoria, Australia. It's autumn season and about 16 degrees centigrade tonight. Just wear a light jacket and you're good to go. Melbourne is vibrant day and night. So right now, we're here at the Flinders Street train station. It's almost 9 in the evening. There are night trains, night trams, and night buses. With 24-hour public transport, you will feel confident that you'll be able to get home no matter what. So these are the bikes for hire. You can also rent or ride in the horse carriages for an exciting and special tour of the city. There's something for everyone in Melbourne. See what's around each corner. Be amazed with the shimmering city lights. Chill out and make the most of late night culture.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on. But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence.
Tonight is Chris on 11 and Julia, the winner, on 14. The Sheens have snatched it. Well done.
I mean, I'm not worthy. I'm not even.
Well done, Chris.
So far, we are enjoying our late night life experience here in Melbourne. We can eat out late because there are many bars, restaurants, and cafes that are still open until past midnight. Shops and galleries are open late. So let's get some cool treat. Maybe a milk tea here at chat time.
Two frozen chocolate. Yeah, and then size is two birds and herbal milk. And the other one, is first and popping.
I see no problem when we get hungry even at late night. In Melbourne Central, there are many fast food restaurants to choose from. There's the Hungry Jack's, McDonald's, pepperonis to that side, and to this side there is a Japanese restaurant. Here you go. But we already had our midnight snack at Nando's grilled chicken. So right now we are about to go to our hotel, and when we get there, we will have a room tour. We're here already at Epic Apartments in Cavanagh Street. We have booked under Melbourne Short Stay Apartment, and our room is located at the 9th floor. Welcome to our 2-bedroom apartment. Let us start the tour. It has a full kitchen, so this is the fridge, the stove, the oven, some kitchenwares, and room service is available. So this is the menu. Just call to order and they will deliver straight to your room. There are free coffee, hot chocolates, tea, and some biscuits. And here, they have the dishwashing soap and liquids. The spoon, fork, knives, and teaspoon are here. The plates, the cups or bowls, and cooking pots. And over here, the mugs, cups, and saucers. Here are the glasses and the wine glasses. It has a spacious seating area with a flat screen TV, DVD, and CD player. And over here is the dining area. This is the first bedroom. This will be mine and my husband's bedroom. It has a queen size bed, and this is the bathroom or the toilet. It has free toiletries. In this room, it has a small area with a study table and chair. And the second bedroom has 2 single beds. My son will be sleeping here and 1 bed will be vacant. It also has a toilet and shower with the laundry machine. And lastly, this apartment features a private balcony overviewing the very busy city of Melbourne. It's another beautiful day. I hope you enjoy our tour. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe. Bye!